Good evening, everyone. Thanks so much for coming along tonight. My name is Adam Rainbird.
Thank you very much for purchasing in Murcia. The building is looking great. We love the colour. We're starting to see the colour come out now. It's really going to be an amazing product, an amazing building, and it will be our best development.
So tonight it's about three things. One is just giving you a genuine update on the progress on site. The second is just giving you a face of who's actually doing the day-to-day work on your particular new home or investment. And thirdly, it's just about connecting with like-minded people, other people that are on the same journey as you. Thanks so much for coming, have some fun, and hopefully we'll see you again here soon.